Other new arrival, the 1969 Pontiac GTO The Judge hardtop tribute.
Tribute car. Yeah.
It's carousel red over black, which always baffled me because carousel red to me is orange, but it's what they call it. So who am I to argue with?
Can't argue with legend.
Can't argue with legends. So true 242, meaning that in the VIN number it's got a 24 and a 2, which means that it's a true GTO. Wasn't a Judge.
That's
but a
right.
True GTO. 400 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, turbo hydromatic 400, 3-speed automatic transmission, nicely done tribute, and it's got the PHS documentation. You've asked before, what does that mean? Shows what the car was built with. Doesn't mean what it has now, but it means what it was built with when it originally came off the line, with all the options and different things, and it came with.
It's very nicely done, and it's probably a little less than a true Judge would be.
Yeah, I mean,
it's still nice. It's
quality-wise,
it's real good.
It's as nice,
and it's a GTO,
and it is a true GTO. Yeah,
right.
and it's okay. I get the tribute thing.
Yep.
It's not the end of the world.
Very
so.
close.